Welcome. If you want to use AdBlock on your Motorola Moto Z3 Play, for the first you have to enter the Google Play Store, tap on the search and type here the Opera Mini and download this application. If you do, just open it. Right now tap here and enter the website where you can find the ads that to show you that it works. And here is the notification that the first ads were blocked, and this thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. And as you can see, this Opera Mini has built-in the AdBlock, so we don't have to use external application. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.